This is what I done. Loads of these. Loads of that, you know what I mean? Got some good stuff. The feet. Whatever, who knows, who cares, whatever. As long as like 20 of each. Yeah. And I tried to do this. Oops. Doesn't matter, you're gonna do this video. Anyways. Try it anyway. This is some Doxy do stuff, whatever they do. Like, you know, the hips and stuff. That's what Doxy said. Doxy said that. Anyways, here, come on. Okay, let's go. As you can see, here's yours. Yeah. Yeah. And I tried to do this. What the fuck? That's my nose, whoops. Okay, so yeah, that's just the character. I don't know, based off of the Templars who done some shady stuff, who knows. Yeah. And this guy over here, I know, I didn't draw his face, like the face isn't like as good as I wanted it to be, but it's just a quick sketch. Yeah, and the hands, oh well. Ooh, shorts, you're meant to be wearing shorts, but whatever. Okay, so yeah, that's all. Have a good day and awesome.